All right, anybody coming into that 26 to 27.5 should be payday. Good fortune below. We'd said make sure you are paid coming into that 33 to 34. 35 could be resistance. So far it has been. We said probably two-way day. Trend traders will look to hit the bounces. Aggressive longs will look to buy the pullbacks. And if you choose to, you can play two-way, although that's not as easy as most people think it is. But when we're thinking that long should be taking profits, that's an opportunity for shorts to scalp with the trend. Reminder, this is our 15-minute chart on the left, 5-minute RTH, and obviously a big boy chart in the middle. Yes, contract rollovers coming up tomorrow. All right, anybody that is into the 26, reminder, this is where the day opened, this neighborhood. So obviously you want to pay attention there. And that's the RTH open at 26. 26.75, the Globex open. So we're in the neighborhood where you have to make sure that you get a little something. If this is the trade you took, we could get some more upside still, but I like the way this came at the end of the primary trade. It's going to take some time to get out of Dodge. Shorts have had a good week. And we said we'd start to see a little bit more by lunchtime, whether or not we had a two-way day or we had something other than that. So far, two-way day. And you get into the pipe. This is where you want to make sure you're paid. And if we get a little break of a line like this, we can certainly start to articulate someplace in between them, give us some example of perhaps a trend line wedge that we had talked about. And our support box, our fighting box, and our resistance box. And that's the reason to make sure we're paid coming into this 26 zone. And so far, the shorts have defended their turf. So even battle, two-way day. Trend traders like hitting the bounces and hope for more. And we need time, we said, to let the moving averages catch up. Better odds for the shorts to be a little bit patient. Don't get shorting too close. There are a lot of traders who tried to short too early, I'm sure, today, and they'll try to wiggle out a bit here. And yet another look. We said coming into a resistance zone, may as well make sure you are paid if you are going long side. All I know is over and over we have these type patterns that play out. And still using the same predictive chart. And on this chart, you could really see this when I said that we're coming into that potential resistance. This is where traders had got caught, if you'll remember. So this is the first time back for that retest. Perfect example. Lunchtime, don't overtrade.